In this video, you'll see how you can quickly take data out of back-office ERP systems like SAP and easily load them into Salesforce Analytics Cloud. To get started, I log into Informatica Cloud, choose Data Synchronization, and hit the New button. I then give my task a name and select Insert. In step 2, I choose my SAP connection. And if we take a look at the connection details, we can see that we are natively logging into SAP. I can now select my SAP object. And in this demo, I'm pulling from my sales order header data. In step 3, I choose my Salesforce Analytics Cloud connection, and I choose my data set. Step 4 is an optional step where I can define data filters or data sorting before I extract the data out of SAP. But here I'm going to move directly to step 5, and this is how I can define how my information is going to be moved from SAP into Salesforce Analytics. In this case, I'm simply going to copy the data over, so I'm going to link everything together now. If we needed to, we also have the ability to go in and perform expressions to transform the data if required. Lastly, I move to step 6. And here's where I can schedule this task to run on a recurring basis. But for this demo, I'm just going to go and run this on demand. So I now hit Save and Run. We are now connecting natively to SAP, taking the data out and putting it into the native format for Salesforce Analytics. Now that the data has been loaded, we can go into Salesforce Analytics Cloud and take a look at the data. If we needed to do something more complex, we go back to Informatica Cloud and go to Mappings. And in this mapping, we are taking data from SAP using the BAPI capability and combining it with Salesforce to get the sales rep information from the user object and opportunity information by performing an opportunity lookup. We're also grabbing sales group and sales office details from flat files. We then combine all that information together before loading it into Salesforce Analytics. We are now taking data out of SAP, combining it with both Salesforce and flat files to come up with a consolidated data set for analytic reporting. Now that all of that data has been loaded into Salesforce Analytics Cloud, we can create some very interesting reports. In this case now we have SAP order details combined with open opportunities in Salesforce. So here we can see any open opportunities that may be affected by previous orders that have not been delivered yet. So by taking the SAP delivery information, we can find those orders that have not been delivered past 30 days. And we can combine that order information with Salesforce opportunity data. So here we can grab the customer information. We can see the probability of any open opportunities for those customers. And we can also see the opportunity expected revenue amount. With the power of Informatica Cloud, we have the ability to combine on-premise data with Salesforce data to come up with very compelling analytics. Thank you very much.